Imagine the delight on your customers' faces when they get immediate assistance, anytime they need it. Say hello to AI-driven chatbot that can instantly assist your customers 24/7. With its advanced algorithms and natural language processing capabilities, it provides efficient and accurate responses in real time. With Chatbot, you can improve customer satisfaction, increase loyalty, and boost sales by providing instant support without the need for human intervention. Chatbot Platform, your own generative AI large language model framework designed and launched in minutes without coding, based on your resources. Standalone AI, no dependencies on third-party providers like OpenAI, Google Bard, or Bing AI. Much faster than comparable solutions, replies immediately, and hosts human-like conversations. Reach out to visitors proactively using personalized chatbot greetings. Turn website visits into sales opportunities. Lead customers to a sale through recommended purchases and tailored offerings. Generate and qualify prospects automatically. Transfer high-intent leads to your sales reps in real time to shorten the sales cycle. Boost sales by letting customers purchase, order, or schedule meetings easily using a smart chatbot. Can be trained by multiple sources like website, help center, or text documents and updated later on. All data is processed and hosted only in the chatbot platform. Manage all your AI data sources. Switch on and off website URLs, help center articles, and text snippets to select sources currently utilized by your AI bot. Control your bot responses. The FAQ module has priority over AI Assist, giving you power over the collected questions and answers used as bot responses. Collect all company data automatically. Effortlessly gather crucial company details and use them to supercharge your customers' experience during the chat. Don't let your customers wait any longer. Start using AI-driven chatbot today and transform your customer support experience. Visit the below link now to learn more.